Is your Valorant game stuck in an endless loop on the loading screen, mocking you with that spinning icon, while your friends are already clashing on split? We've all been there, staring at that static image, feeling the frustration build as the precious minutes tick by and you miss another round, or worse, an entire match. That feeling of helplessness when you just want to jump into a competitive match only to be blocked by an unresponsive loading screen is infuriating. But don't you worry, because you're not alone, and more importantly, you're in the right place to get it fixed. Today we're diving deep into some tried and true methods that players around the world have used to conquer this annoying problem. By the end of this video, you'll have a full arsenal of troubleshooting tips to get Valorant loading smoothly again, ensuring you get back to clutching those rounds and climbing ranks without any more digital roadblocks. Kicking things off with the most basic, yet surprisingly effective solution: restart everything. Seriously, sometimes a simple glitch just needs a fresh start. So close Valorant, reboot your entire, and while you're at it, even power cycle your internet router. This classic turn it off and on again approach often clears up temporary software conflicts or network issues, giving your system a clean slate to load the game properly. It's often the quickest fix before diving into more complex solutions. Next up, let's talk permissions and our favorite anti-cheat. Make sure you're running both the Valorant game and the Riot client as an administrator. This gives the game the necessary privileges to access system resources without any hang-ups. If that doesn't work, sometimes VALORANT, the anti-cheat system, can get a bit grumpy and cause loading issues. So a quick reinstall of VALORANT itself can often resolve those deeper conflicts. These steps ensure your game has all the necessary authority to boot up smoothly. Corrupted game files are a silent killer for loading screens, so it's crucial to verify your game's integrity. Through the Riot client's repair option, this tool scans for and fixes any broken or missing files. While that's running, don't forget your graphics drivers outdated. Drivers can cause all sorts of performance and loading hiccups in games. Head to your manufacturer's website and grab the latest updates to keep your visuals and game loading efficiently. These internal checks are crucial for a healthy Valorant experience. Finally, let's look at external factors that might be interfering. Your firewall or antivirus software could be overly protective, mistakenly blocking Valorant from connecting properly. So try temporarily disabling them to see if that's the culprit. And before you panic, always remember to check the official Valorant server status page, as sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all, but with Riot servers experiencing an outage or maintenance. These external factors are often overlooked, but can be key to unlocking your game.